Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of searching for ways to earn online and ready to start making real money, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll introduce you to the only website you'll need in 2025 to start earning at least $100 every single day. The best part? You don't need any special skills or experience to get started. So, if you're ready to stop struggling and start earning, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future tips and strategies. Let's talk about the main topic. The platform we're talking about today is legit.com. Whether you're hearing about it for the first time or already familiar, pay close attention because I'll show you the best services to offer and how to maximize your earnings. If you're tired of being broke and ready to start earning in dollars, this website, combined with the steps I'll share, can help you generate substantial income, all from the comfort of your home. Why freelancing is the future. Before we dive into legit.com, let's discuss why freelancing is the future. Did you know that by 2027, freelancers are projected to make up over 50% of the US workforce? Globally, the freelance economy is growing rapidly, with platforms like Fiverr and Upwork leading the way. But here's the kicker: legit.com isn't just another copycat. It offers unique features and opportunities that help freelancers succeed faster. Let's break down why this platform stands out and how you can leverage it to achieve your goals. What is legit.com? Legit.com is a freelancing platform connecting professionals and beginners with clients who need their services. Whether you're into content writing, graphic design, SEO, or even AI services, legit.com has a place for you. What makes it different? It has standout features designed to help freelancers maximize their earnings. Facebook groups where you can promote your services, offer discounts, and attract clients directly. Many freelancers report securing orders through this feature. Legit forums. These forums provide valuable insights, including tips for landing your first order, understanding the most searched for services, and writing professional client communication. Feature requests. This allows freelancers and clients to suggest improvements to the platform, making it more user-friendly, keeping the platform fresh and tailored to users' needs. Blog opportunities. If you create content for Legit's blog, they credit your work and link it to your profile, increasing your visibility and attracting more clients. Here's the exciting part. Many clients prefer working directly with freelancers after building trust. This means you can negotiate payments via PayPal, Payoneer, or even local bank transfers for long-term projects. 3 best services to offer on legit.com. If you're a beginner, here are the top services to get started. AI writing services. Use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to create SEO-optimized articles, blog posts, and product descriptions. Freelancers earn $40 or $120 per order for AI-generated content with light human editing. Graphic design. Even if you're a novice, tools like Canva make it easy to create eye-catching graphics for social media and marketing. SEO services. Offer services like keyword research, backlink building, or on-page SEO using free or affordable tools. To succeed on legit.com, follow these tips. Optimize your profile, use a professional profile picture, and write a compelling bio showcasing your skills. Create attractive thumbnails. Design visually appealing thumbnails using tools like Canva. Bright colors and clear text work best. Write clear service descriptions. Highlight what you're offering, the benefits, and why clients should choose you. Engage in forums and Facebook groups. Promote your services, interact with the community, and offer discounts to build trust and credibility. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Consistency and delivering quality work are key to building a thriving freelancing career. Get started today. Click the link in the description to sign up on legit.com and start your journey to financial freedom. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel for updates and exclusive content. That's it for today's video, folks. If you're serious about earning in 2025, now's the time to take action. Sign up on legit.com and begin building your online career. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Keep striving for success.